Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I love to just get straight into it. So I've got a wig cap there and I've got grapeseed oil, eucalyptus oil, black Jamaican castor oil, as well as baobab oil. And I'll be making a pre-poo using these ingredients as well as some aloe vera. Now, I buy aloe vera plants and I keep them in my house and I use them on a weekly or bi-weekly basis for my hair. So what I firstly do is cut the aloe vera bit that I want. You can use more if you want to, depending on how thick your hair is. But I have quite fine hair, so this is enough for me. And my first step is basically to cut them in smaller pieces. And my method is quite unusual, but I don't like to waste too much of the skin. What I do is I remove the sharp ends on the side of the aloe vera, and then I slice out, just like a potato, the skin, leaving literally about 90% of the meat of the aloe vera. Now, for most of you wondering why I'm choosing to use aloe vera is very healing, especially for 4C type hair or afro hair. It basically is what is most useful when your hair needs more help, or you have bald spots, because aloe vera has enzymes in it that will basically attack your skin cells that are clogging your hair follicles, which can also add moisture and shine to your hair. So it's very helpful in promoting growth of your hair, especially if you've had alopecia or just have very fine hair that needs to be thicker, or you want to help it be thicker. So this is what it looks like once I've peeled it, and this is what it looks like pre-peeled. So basically you can see the texture inside, and I just go ahead and just peel it like I would peel a potato or an onion, and that way it allows me to keep as much of the aloe vera itself than if I just divide it in half and then attempt to scoop it out. So once it's out, it will be very sticky, and I put it in a bowl where I'll be mixing all of the ingredients before I actually blend it. So now when it comes to grapeseed oil is a natural antiseptic, and it really helps in cleansing the pores on your scalp. And it also protects against dry scalp and promotes balance in oil production of your scalp. And it also helps with blood circulation. Now I'm using some black Jamaican castor oil, and we all know this oil works for all hair types. So it just helps moisturize, thicken, and strengthen, and rapidly increase the growth of your hair. Now, when it comes to eucalyptus oil, I like to use it, one, because it helps me stimulate my scalp and encourage hair growth, but it also has antibacterial properties, which helps keep your scalp clean, basically. When it comes to the baobab oil, I normally put 3 squirts into it, but as you can see, my bottle was almost finished, so I only managed to get 2.5 out there. It also acts as a intensive hair repair, which is amazing if you have heat damage, for example, or if it's winter time. Now, once everything is in the bowl, I transfer it over to my bullet blender, and I blend it until it's quite frothy and white, but there are no pieces in it that are thick. Then I take the clean, brand new wig cap and put it over a bowl, and then I proceed to pour all of the mixture into it, and I'll be sieving it out using the wig cap. So once that's in, I will just pull it up, and you'll already see the oils have gone to the bottom, which is great for me. And then I'll just be squeezing it out and getting all that amazing gorgeousness out into the bowl, which will be going into my hair. And as you can see, I've had my cornrows in for about 2 months, so my hair has grown and it needs some real tender loving care. In this bottle, I have some apple cider vinegar and water. So 1 part apple cider vinegar, 2 parts water. And I spray that into my hair because I don't like to detangle my hair when it's dry. So once I've sprayed it, and I pay special attention that it reaches my scalp as well, I will just work it through my hair, and then I'll use a wide tooth comb later on. So once the aloe vera mixture is in this pipette bottle, I will aim to reach my scalp first, and I will give myself some massage whilst I'm at it. So I'm quite gentle with that, but I'll make sure I go in and add, because this entire bottle will be saturating my hair during this video. So it smells pleasant, it feels amazing, especially with the eucalyptus. Once it hits your scalp, you can really feel it having a very mild tingle. A mild tingle is what I'll say. It has a pleasant smell and a mild tingle. Again, if you have thicker hair than mine, you can use my recipe, but double it maybe, so that you have even more product to cover your entire hair. As I said previously, my hair is quite thin and fine, so this is absolutely enough for me. And for the ends of my hair, I put the mixture on my palm and I basically work it in. And this is just to ensure that every piece of my head is covered with the mixture itself. And you can already see how shiny my hair is getting. And that is due to the oils. The aloe vera allows the oils to be, to penetrate the hair a little bit more. Especially if I'm using a sulfate shampoo, I need to have this extra help so that my hair doesn't feel squeaky clean, which is never a positive thing. I did wash my hair during my cornrows on a bi-weekly basis, and it works, but somehow you still get buildup. So once I have one area done, I will twist that, 2-strand twist that, and move on to the next section until my whole head has been saturated with product, but also is detangled and is in sections that are manageable. So once every section has been done, whatever is left in the bottle of the mixture is what I will continue adding on until it's completely finished. As you can see, the bottle is more than half empty, and I will just use that and massage that in until my 2-strand twist feel juicy, because I'll be leaving this on my hair for some time. And then I'll just do a bantu knot just to be able to ensure that everything is wet on my hair. There's no piece that is still dry. So once I put it in bantu knots, I will be proceeding and going on to put a plastic bag over my hair. That's only because I've lost my my regular scarf from silky wraps that I normally use on my hair. About an hour and a half later, you can see that my hair, I'm taking the plastic off, my hair feels extremely soft and manageable, and also is saturated, and my own body heat has basically penetrated and enabled the aloe vera mixture to be absorbed into my hair. So at this point, I'm ready to go in and wash my hair. Yay! I just washed my hair, and before I dry it and put any products in it, just wanted to show you what it looks like. After washing it and pre-pooing it, I just use my Main Choice products. It's dripping wet, fair enough, but it feels so soft. It feels so soft. Like, let me just get, and this is how much hair came out. Just so you, but that would have come out because I've had cornrows in for 2 months. So it's just, I am like, oh, it's like clouds, it's like fluff, it's like heaven on a stick. So guys, that's my pre-poo that I make myself. Bye.